Hi there. I'm Stephanie, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. If you're a Portfolio Plus or Pro Suite subscriber in Australia, we offer a wide range of products available through our vendor, HC Pro. You can view a complete list of products at success.zenfolio.com. Just type Australia into the search bar, you'll find this guide. This list includes available size options, paper types, available frames and mounts, and for our Pro Suite subscribers, a variety of canvas sizes. Please note that all frames include glass, and not all paper types and frames are available for all print sizes. You can view this information in greater detail when you're setting up your price lists. I hope this helps.